I don't know when this video is coming out, but in my current time, I just restocked all of the HDMI modded N64s, retroremaster.com, and this one is the only one that's not working. But this time, unlike the last N64 that I couldn't figure out how to work, I don't have a replacement N64 board. So hopefully we can fix this. The problem is the sound is not working. That's it. It outputs HDMI and AV. It reads games. It turns on it, everything except for sound for some reason. So let's go over what I've done off camera. I have tried swapping C28 to no avail, and I have also reflowed the solder on this chip, but I don't think it has anything to do with the HDMI mod specifically, because when I try it through just AV, it also does not have sound. I have tested all of the capacitors, at least for shorts, to see if they're dead. None of them are shorting to ground. So I really don't know what the issue is here. This has also been like fully deep cleaned in my ultrasonic cleaner. After being cleaned in that, it got an alcohol bath. It's as clean as it can really get, honestly. I'm also seeing a little bit of a solder ball right there. But other things I've tried are reflowing this chip here, which is the amp. I reflowed this U4 chip because that's what I saw to do online. I've also swapped out the cart slot just in case. It's working fine. This is currently a known working one that actually had sound. And yeah, that's pretty much it. What I'm gonna do, this post on Reddit says, if you have a multimeter, you can open it up and check the capacitors, which I did. The voltage across C28 should be 9 volts. This is the positive rail of the amplifier that is regulated by amp NUS from the 12 volts. The voltage across C24 should be 4.5 volts. This is the center voltage that floats between the two rails, 0 and 9 volts. The voltage across C33 should be 1.7 volts. This is the center voltage for the DAC output. Yep, that checks out. Okay, well, that was a dead end. You know, I've tried reflowing this, but I haven't like removed it to see if that solves anything. Because maybe there is a bridge. Because underneath this ribbon cable, I mean, part of this ribbon cable connects to the pins for audio. So it's very possible something is just shorting and I just didn't do a good enough job of soldering it. We will just start with removing this, putting a bit of flux down, grabbing it with the tweezers, and just going back and forth as I lift up. And then here we are. A little bridging occurred, but that's all right. Just gonna reflow all these pins real quick. And then I can actually try this with just AV, see if we get audio now. Worth a shot. If so, we can put it back on and hopefully we should have audio again. If it's really that simple, easy video. I don't know what to tell you. Can you hear the audio? I'm not going to set it up with the capture card and everything. I'm too lazy for all that. This is the second channel. I'm even too lazy to just get my phone out to show you the screen. So we can just resolder it back down and see what happens. Hopefully it's just this simple. All right, now this should just work. I'm doing it with the HDMI this time. Sounds on. And now you'll see me doing a time lapse of me putting it all back together. And since it's gonna take longer than just that one sentence to do, I will gently, kindly remind you, you can buy this at retroremastered.com or in a ton of other shell colors, which is super cool. And you should go buy one so I can pay rent. This looks horrible on my preview for the camera, but there we go. It's all put together, brand new aftermarket shell. It is pretty darn good, except for my cutout. It could be better. retroremaster.com. You'll get a random Japanese game included while supplies last.